We have one more problem for this section, and I think we're going to call it quits. By this point, you should have a fairly good understanding on how to do long division polynomials. 2x to the 6th plus 3x to the 4th minus x squared plus 5x minus 11. Oh my gosh, it just went on forever. I mean, really? 2x squared minus 3. Okay, so we're asked to divide that 2x squared minus 3 into that numerator up there, which I'm not going to repeat again. We're going to have our hands full. Yes, we are. All right, let's rewrite. I'm going to rewrite this, if you don't mind. 2x squared minus 3. And it's going into 2x to the 6th plus 3x to the 4th. Do you see this? What's going on here? We're going to need some placeholders because we have a 6 and then we have a 4. We should have a 5 in there somewhere. Better be careful. See that? So we need to go ahead and erase this. Let's do that. So we're going to need a 0x to the 5th in here. Okay, we've got to have that. What else? Plus, all right, 3x to the 4th. Question is, we're going to have enough room here. The next one was minus x squared, so we've got to put another placeholder in, 0x cubed. I have to try to move the screen a little bit. I think what I'm going to do here is, let's go ahead and just, let's see, let's cut that out. Let's, we should have enough room now. Let me go ahead and rewrite this. This is 2x squared minus 3. All right. We'll do that. Okay, where was I at? Minus x squared and plus 5x. Barely have enough room. Minus 11. Let's go back up here, make sure, yeah. Sure we got all that. Okay, here we go. We have 2x squared going into 2x to the 6th. So remember, we write 2x to the 6th over 2x squared. That's going to reduce down to x to the 4th. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that should reduce down to x to the 4th. We'll write that right here. X to the 4th. Okay. Then we go back, multiply. So x to the 4th times 2x squared gives us 2x to the 6th, right? And then we're going to have negative 3 times x to the 4th is negative 3x to the 4th. We're going to write that right here. Okay, this is just a 0 here. Go ahead, take their difference. So remember, we take the difference, so it makes a negative out front. That 0 doesn't matter. And then that's going to make that a plus. All right, so we're going to have 2x minus 2x is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3x to the 4th plus 3x to the 4th is going to give us 6x to the 4th. Okay, 6x to the 4th. We have bring down that plus x, 0x to the third. We're just going to bring down 0 here. And then minus x squared. Okay, minus x squared. We should probably... well, it doesn't matter. Anyway. All right. What are we doing here? Lost my train of thought. Okay, so now we got this 6x to the fourth. So 6x to the fourth over 2x squared. That's going to reduce down to, what's that going to reduce down to? Let's see, 3x squared. That's going to reduce down to 3x squared. So plus, and we need to just go ahead and because we want to put that x squared there, we'll just go ahead and put a placeholder here, 0, plus 3x squared. 3x squared right here. Okay, above that negative x squared. Yeah. All right, so we go back, multiply 3x squared times 2x squared is 6x to the fourth. And then we have 3x squared times negative 3x, which is going to give us negative 9x squared. All right. Go ahead and take their difference. That's going to be 0. This should be a plus 0 here, just bringing that 0 down so we don't lose track of where we're at. Negative x squared. Oh, and remember, let's see, that was a negative. Yeah. We made a minus out here, so that's got to become a plus. Okay, let's not forget. We got negative x squared plus 9x squared gives us 8x squared. All right, 8x squared, and we're going to bring down that 5x minus 11. I'm going to run out of room here. What's happening? Let's go ahead and bring down that. Okay. All right, now we have this 2x squared. Okay, we have 8x squared over 2x squared, and that's going to reduce down to 2 goes in 8 4 times. So this is going to be something. It's fishy in St. Louis. What happened here? 3x, let's see, 2x squared over 8x squared. Yeah, 4. Is that what I said? Plus 4. So this is going to become a plus 4 here. And then we just go ahead and multiply that 4 back across. So that's 4 times 2x squared is 8x squared. And 4 times the negative 3 is positive 12. And I have run out of room. Plus 12. All right, go minus. And what do we got here? We're going to be bringing down this 5x, it looks to me like. Huh. 5x plus 1? Yeah. Well, that shouldn't be the remainder. Let's see. X to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 4. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Let's check our work here on this. So this is what I do. We're gonna check our work. Okay, we're gonna plug this into Wolfram Alpha here, my best friend. we had 2x to the 6th plus 3x to the 4th minus x squared. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so hang in there. Plus 5x minus 11. And it's all over everything but the crying. Now, hopefully there won't be any crying going on here. 2x squared minus 3. Alright, let's see what Wolfram Alpha says. Let's see if they have anything to say here. What do they say? Ooh, they're doing some calculations. Alright, I guess, yeah, I was right. So x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 4, they got the 4 over here. 5x plus 1 over 2x squared minus 3. Okay, that looks good. Looks good. Alright. I got a little sloppy over here. We kind of run out of room on all this. But we definitely ran out of room. Yep. Anyway, should I write it out or you got it? Okay, so it's 5x plus 1 over the divisor, which was 2x squared minus 3. And then what we had up here in the quotient was x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 4. Okay. All right. Well, that was a nasty problem. Nasty one. Okay. Well, that pretty much ends this session. You can catch me over there, and I'll see you in the next section. I think we're going to shorten this. We got an algorithm to shorten this called synthetic division. And so we don't have to write all these x's over and over again. Okay, I'll see you there.